Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add the sleep widget to the home screen on your iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, you want to go to a blank spot and touch and hold. Once it is in edit mode, tap on the add button and then go all the way down and tap on sleep. Next, drag the widget onto the home screen and let go. And that's it. So that's how you can add the sleep widget to your home screen. Now you can delete it if you want by simply touch and hold on the widget and then tap on remove widget and then tap on remove. And that's it. Now you can tap on the widget to open up the sleep app, and here it will give you details information of your sleeping patterns and your schedule for your sleep. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.